Hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to showcase how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel for Ford Cmax 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. So it's basically the same. There are a few different design of the steering wheel, but in general they're kind of all the same. So from the tools, you're gonna need a screwdriver, you're gonna need a 24 here, and I have this toolbox for since forever, so I did use this on MK3 steering wheels, but basically now I use mostly this one or this, but screwdriver works fine as well. You're gonna need a Torx 25 for removing the plastics, but let's start with here. So turn the wheel, you have this click over here, so take that one up, so that's for one side, and other side goes the same, if not already out, so like this. Yeah, and that what you're gonna get with that is you can take out this cover. I will take it fully out, you don't really need, but I will take it out because I'm not putting it back. So here is some clips, but usually when you just pull out with a hand, it goes out, and now it just don't wanna go as it should. So let me pull it out with hands. So using both hands it does go a little smoother. So as you can see over here, it's pinned inside here and the other side as well, and goes in these three holes from the clock. So as you can see, so these over here, one over here, and the one. It did need two hands. You might don't need to take this out, but it's kinda easier. So there is one over here and one in here. From what I remember, it's just two, and after that you just clicked down, so like that. And after that you will go in, and there are some holes on this side. I will try to show you. So you need to put your tool from here inside, so you can take out the steering wheel. I will use this one. So basically, so you take your tool, and I'm not sure if you're gonna see, so like that. You wanna click it in and out, and doing that you need to pull a little bit over here on the airbag, or if you don't have tools like this, screwdriver will work as well, maybe a smaller one so you can fit in here. So same goes like that, and you just need to click. I will show you what you need to click and how you need to click once I take out the airbag. So let me take the airbag out. So, but whatever you're doing, take the battery out. It's kinda better be safe than sorry. You really don't wanna have some problems with that. So here is the pin that you need to click. So you need to click it. So once you get through that hole, with either you have a tool or a screwdriver, it doesn't matter. So yeah, and so taking out, you need to remove this here this orange pin. It's not that easy with one hand, so I will take it out, but use some smaller screwdriver or something like that. So like this, you click it from this side over here and you pull a little bit from this side as well. It's kind of harder when I'm holding the phone, but you get the picture. So you need to take this out like this, and after that you just pull it out. So that's the pin, and only thing that's holding is this orange. Don't try not to break this. And here we have these are for the horns. These are just like pin out. So that's the airbag. So that's done. Further on, you need to remove this electricity. So this is from the steering wheel. So you just click it on the top, as you can see over here. You just click it and pull out. After that, here comes that 24 handy. So I will use, let's unscrew this. So that's the 24. It's quite a big one for this small steering wheel, but it does hold it tight. So basically that's for the steering wheel. Yeah, so like this. Now you I'm gonna show you the airbag. So you click it in, and now you turn it around. As now you can see a little bit better. So basically, when you have this tool, you just click it in like that. Same goes on this side as well. So I hope you saw. Like this. So you take, and it will fall out easy. So if you have that, if you do not have this kind of tools, again, click the airbag in, and with a screwdriver, maybe some smaller one for sure. So again, you can take it's easy, just click there. So when you go from this side, always go from this side, and you just click it, and it will fall out. Or when it's on the car, so when it's over here, you will need to pull it a little bit. So yeah, you just pull on each side a little bit, and that's that. So I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see you.